YouTube, it's Dirty Dems aka Demo Graphics, and just a quick one today. Behind me I'm doing the lab. So this is somebody's personal barber, home barbers, so you can come to this space and get fresh trim, and they call themselves the lab. You can find them on Instagram, and yeah, I'm going to do their logo behind me. I've sketched up, and now I'm just going to add some colour to this and then the outline. So it's quite a simplistic one, so a very quick video, but let's get into it.
Okay, so there's the sketch on the wall, and we're about to start colouring it in. Grab the can of Strasbourg blue, and that's going to be the first colour to go down. Just spraying it, spray. Oh yeah, give it a good shake it up. More spraying. Look at those brush strokes, those spray strokes. What colour is this? I think this is the, what is it, Medina? No, Bergamo. And that's what I used at the bottom there. Now this, what is this? This is the Medina. Lovely colours in the loop range. That's why I just use loop. Dubai. So we're going to spray the letters in Dubai, the lab, and the slime, the ooze coming out of the test tube. So yeah, I'm just using a bit of card just to get the edges nice and straight. Now we've skipped forward to the ooze all coloured in the Dubai green. Dubai green, yeah, I started there. Yeah, so we've got a bit of muck on the wall there, so back to the technique where I've built kind of a wall to catch the paint with the masking tape. And just looking at another can now. This is the fluoro green going over the Dubai green, and that's just going to give it a bit of power. So we want to make it glow, we want to make it look toxic, so we're just using the Dubai green as an undercoat and layering up with the fluoro. It's looking good. A few more sprays here and there. Yeah, that's how we do. And you can see that I haven't yet coloured in the barber tools. So we've got the scissors, the cutthroat razor, the comb. They're all going to get filled in there. Just having a look, there's the fan going outside. Got some noise. It's always a noisy environment when I'm painting indoors. Oh yeah, and yeah, here's my messy Instagram logo. Trying to get the colourful fades in there.
I've just been pulled over by the police for speeding. I said, officer, I thought there was no speed limit when you were listening to drum and bass.
Here, so we're back at it. We're using a marker, so a chalk marker, probably a giant Posca, and yeah, some people might say using a marker is cheating, but it ain't cheating if you've got a job to do and it makes life easier. So let's get it done. You get a lot more control out of a pen when doing these really small lines. So quite useful to have a few markers around when you're doing a commission, just to outline with if you need to. Look at this. For skills. Look at that. Bam. Bam. On point with the lines there. Steady hand control. Look at that. Yes, and we're whipping out the glow in the dark paint. I'm going to paint these letters in glow in the dark along with the toxic ooze, and hopefully give the client a nice surprise when he turns the lights off. It should pop, should come alive. So yeah, brush here and there, brushing on that glow in the dark, that ooze, that Ninja Turtle mutation ooze. Lab ooze.
Right, so we got to the end of the video. We got the Lab logo on the wall, and check him out, he's on Instagram. Hook up with him and get your fresh trims. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.